it's Miss Heather here at Conservatory of the Ozarks with 4-year-old Asalee Jane, and we're practicing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So we start by bringing our hands up into a teacher pose with a little bit of a snooty teacher face, and we go bounce, 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 and then we switch. And we say, while we do that, you know, Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen. Switch. Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. And then we do question hands and question face. To the side, scrunched up eyebrows. But do you recall, excited hands, excited face, eyebrows up, the most famous reindeer of all? And then we put our fingertips down here, make a big circle. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. Sad face. All of the other reindeer, bratty face, used to laugh and call him names. And now another snooty face. Can you put your nose in there? And put your other fist on your hip like this? They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. And then back to an excited face. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, and then begging hands, like, please, Mommy, please let me have a cookie. Rudolph, with your nose so bright. Oh, I skipped the nose so bright part. So we go, Rudolph, with your nose so bright. And then this is the begging hands. Won't you guide my sleigh tonight? And then we put our hands like this. Then all the reindeer loved him. So for loved, we start here. See how my hands are down at my sides? We make a big circle, and right when we touch our heart, we bend our knees. Loved. And then we go up and back down. Let's try it again. Then all the reindeer loved him. And then same thing for shouted, except we go to our mouth. As they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. And then we go back to, then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, fingertips, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer, remember big circle, loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, and this time it's slow. You'll go down in history. And then we take this hand, bring it down, look at our feet, bend in the middle, count 1, 2, 3. Stand all the way up like this.
Merry Christmas!
And then smile like this with an open mouth. Like a superstar. Good job.